This video, I'm going to be sharing with you the simple process I follow to earn money online. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. If this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell because I'm actually updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you a simple process in which, well, I'm actually following every single month to earn over $4,000 per month. And this is a process that I actually use to replace not one, but two full-time jobs. So if you're really serious and if you're really committed with your success, and if you're consistent with the implementation, you can actually achieve the goal that you have in mind. So let me share with you everything because I want to make sure that we are going to be actually on the same page. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you the simple process that I follow to make money online. I actually earn $4,798 every single month just following these steps, okay? Please have an open mind and remember, the most important part here is the implementation. So here are the steps that we're going to be follow. This is going to be step by step. So the very first step is that you actually need to pick a niche. Okay. And nowadays, with the internet, you can actually earn money with every single niche that you have in mind. But I have to tell you the truth. The most profitable online niches are health, wealth, and relationships. Why? Because people are looking to solve a problem. If you are not feeling well, if you're sick, you're going to go to the doctor. You're going to do whatever it takes, buy medicines, change your diet if you need to change your diet because you want to get your health back. Okay, so there is a problem and people are looking for the solution. Diana, what if I enjoy, I don't know, video games? Okay, can I actually earn money with it? The answer is yes, definitely you can do it. And the reason I'm telling you is because I do have friends who are in the video games niche. That's something that they like. They're really passionate about it. They can talk about it all day long. So literally, you can actually do it. Okay. But remember that the most profitable are health, wealth, and relationships because people are looking to solve a problem and they're willing to invest to solve that problem. Now that you have the niche, you need to choose your core product. Okay. And chances are that right now you're going to be like, okay, so that means that I need to create the product or the service. The answer is no. Okay. More than 80% of the companies out there have something that we call an affiliate program, in which they're actually giving us the opportunity to earn commissions while we recommend their products and services. Chances are that right now there is a product or a service that you are enjoying and you are recommending, but you are not earning money because you did not know this. So where you can find products, there is something that we call the marketplace in which you can find products. For example, you can go to ClickBank and go to clickbank.com and you can see that they do have over 100,000 affiliates. They already pay over $7.1 billion in commission and you can join by clicking here where it says start, affiliate start here. Okay, you are going to fill out the form. Sometimes they do have a survey, fill it out because they want to know like if you are new and give you all the tools and everything. Okay, here you can find physical products, digital products, different types of products. This is another marketplace that is called Copecard. Here on Copecard, you are going to have the opportunity to promote what we call high ticket programs. High ticket programs are the programs in which you are going to be able to earn $1,000 commission, even more. Okay, so if that's the route that you want to go, Copecard is actually a great place to go. If you want to be promoting like popular brands, you can go to Impact here on impact.com. You are going to have the opportunity to be what they call a publisher, which is basically the same as an affiliate. And you're going to have the opportunity to partner with popular brands. Because as I told you before, chances are that you are already promoting a brand and you didn't know that they do have an affiliate program. Okay, so if that's the route that you want to go, you can actually go with impact.com. Also, you can find what we call private affiliate programs. For example, I went to Google and type camping affiliate programs. As you can see, I have several companies here that do have their affiliate program, like C2 Summit. They do have their own affiliate program. Strucker.com, they do have a list of the best affiliate programs. Okay, we have the Mountain Warehouse. They do have their own affiliate program. Backcountry, they do have the whole affiliate program. Tencel, they do have their own affiliate program. So now you already have the niche. Okay, you already have the niche. Something really important. You need to stick to that niche. Okay, it's not like today I'm going to be talking about camping, and the next day I'm going to be talking about weight loss, and the other day I'm going to tell you like how you can actually save your marriage. No, you need to pick a niche and you need to stick a niche. So you have your core product. Now you need to be a simple two-page system. Don't worry, you don't need to be any kind of technical. You don't need to be a web designer or web developer, any of that. Actually, with a couple of clicks, you're going to have your system. Okay. So, by the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. And if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. So now, how you can actually build this two-page system. There's going to be a link below to a tool that it's called System.io. System.io is an all-in-one marketing solution in which you're going to have the opportunity to open a free account thanks to the link that is in the description. Yeah, you hear it right. It's a free account. It's not a free trial. Okay. So with that said, once you have your free account, your account is going to be looking something similar like this. So you're going to go here where it says sites. Then you're going to click here where it says sales funnels. And we are going to be creating a simple system that in a nutshell, it's going to be looking something like this. Okay. People are going to be providing us their name and email address. Then we're going to be building something that we call the bridge page, in which we are going to be recording a video, or this can be some text, and we're going to be introducing the product. Okay, so we are going to be doing this. Now, remember that we are going to be actually doing this with System.io. So let me share with you that super actually fast. So you are going to go and you're going to click here where it says create. You're going to put the name, put here tutorial. If you already have a domain, you're going to actually choose it. Yeah, do you suggest me to go with the domain, or can I go with the subdomain that System.io provides me? I strongly suggest you to go with the domain. Nowadays, you can have a domain with paying less than $20 per year. It's give you a more professional looking, and put yourself in your lead's shoes, or think like whenever you are getting some information online. Do you prefer to have the name of the domain.com, .net, .org, whatever, or something super random? Okay, I think you already got your answer. Choose the domain, click here where it says build an audience. We don't care about this, and we're going to click here where it says save. So with that said, I'm going to click here. Now we're going to have the opportunity to choose what we call the opt-in page. You know what's the opt-in page? Is actually this one, okay, in which they're going to give us their name and email address. I actually suggest you to go with something super simple, but at the end of the day, you are going to choose the one that you would like. So I'm going to show you here. Okay, so I actually prefer to go with something like this, but at the end of the day, you can choose the one that you like. Once you go with the one, click here on the green arrow, check mark, sorry, and this is going to be a drag and drop builder. The same with the thank you page, okay, this is going to be the bridge page. Here is where you're going to put your affiliate link. Okay, so with that says, you are going to have your two-page system. The cool thing about this is the fact that we can do follow-ups, and this is something that we do automatically. So we are going to have the opportunity to promote people this product again and again and again automatically. This is actually how I was actually able to replace my 2 full-time jobs, and also you can actually promote other products. So this is the famous passive income, make money while you sleep. because you build the system once and this system is going to be working for you 24/7. Okay, so and as you notice, you can have a really good looking system and you don't need to be a designer. So now you will need to drive what we call traffic. Traffic is literally eyeballs, people who are going to be interested in what we have to offer. And how we actually do that, well, right now you're watching a YouTube video. You can have an Instagram account, you can have there's supposed to be a TikTok account, you can have a blog, you can have a Pinterest account, you can post on Medium, Vocalocity, etc. And you can have a call to action inviting people to join your system. Okay? So now this is how actually everything started. So as you can see, you can promote as many products as you want thanks to your system, but you need to have one core product. All your the the videos, the articles, all of the content that you're going to be developing is going to be based on that product. So please make sure that you're going to pick a niche that you actually enjoy. Diana, do I need to be an expert? No, you don't need to be an expert. Okay, you just need to be one step ahead of the people that you are going to be targeting. That's it. You don't need to be an expert. And how come you are always going to be, one step ahead? It's because it's something that you enjoy. So that chances are that you're going to be doing the research. So if you want to learn more about this, check the very first link in the description. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Share it with someone you think he or she might be interested. And I see you guys on the next video.